Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a bit more on the Vectra. So today, what the plan is, I'm going to jet wash the whole engine bay, get it all degreased, ready for when we start putting brake lines and stuff in. So I want to completely jet wash it all. I've got some TFR, so yeah, I just want to basically get all the muck and grease off, ready for when we start putting things back together. As you'd seen in the last video, I've done all the engine mounts. Well, I pulled the engine out, all the mounts done, welded. It just needs a light grinding over the welds, and then that's done, and that can be all painted. But before I paint it all, I want to like degrease everything. So I'm probably just going to put it in a time lapse, and I'll bag the electrics up that need bagging up, and basically just do a time lapse. I'm just going to spray TFR all over the place, leave it good 10-15 minutes, and then I'll get the jet wash set up, and all that will be degreased and that. So I just thought I'd do a quick video of doing it like so. And the TFR I've got from Amazon, 20 quid for 20 litres. Just want to see how good that is really. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'll go and get a bag up the electrics. I've got some electrics to bag up here, only these bits, a couple of plugs, and yeah, we're just gonna get the jet wash out, start cleaning it up. Alright, so I'll put some TFR in the spray tub, and I haven't mixed it with anything. I'm just going to put it on neat. So it does say mix it 400 to 1, but I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to spray it on neat. It's got more chance of getting rid of everything that's on there. So spray this on, give it 10-15 minutes, and then I'll probably put it on time lapse just while I wash it all. And I might even get all the top round here done, all the scuttle panel, all the moss, stuff like that. Just jet washed a lot. So that's the plan. So yeah, I'll get all this sprayed, and then I'll time lapse you with all the jet wash. So, everything covered now. I'll give that 10-15 minutes, and then we'll jet wash it. Right, it's been like 15 minutes now, so what I'll do, I'm going to put my glasses on, save any oil coming back on me, splashes, and yeah, we'll start jet washing it. So I'll just chuck it in some time lapse. so everywhere's jet washed now, and to be fair, it's come up quite good actually. So yeah, just all clean. Most of that on the gearbox wouldn't come off, but I'm not too bothered about that because it's actually a lot better than what it was. But it's a lot cleaner now to work with. Hopefully in the next video, the brake pipes down there, they need replacing from there to the back, and I'll replace them from there to the ABS pump. Power steering pipes are getting changed, because over the years I've had to do many repairs on them, so they're getting changed. But in all, I'm happy how it's turned out. That TFR works fine. So yeah, cleaned all up there as well on the scuttle panel. All that's cleaned. Happy days. So yeah, happy with how it's turned out. Quick video really, just cleaning it all, and yeah, happy days, clean, ready to move on to the next part, which is probably brake pipes and fuel line. So yeah, if you like what I've done, like, subscribe, share, drop some thoughts and comments down below, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.